Hey everyone, Joseph Hastrader here again with the EWH University, here to help businesses grow their business at the CES conference in Las Vegas. And one of the things that we're always doing is using talent self-assessments to help people understand their greatest gift, but also where can they really excel in life. You know, we've all been in a job, for instance, right, that just didn't fit us or that we really struggled in, right? So knowing how to adapt our natural gifts to the role or whatever we really want to do in life is so important to be successful. You know, because if we're in a role we were not made for, it's a constant uphill battle. So we actually are at the CES conference, and I had shared one of these talent assessment tools with Elijah here for him to understand these different styles and approaches. He read through his results, which he's going to share in a moment, but then we're going to talk about how he applied it to understanding why in League of Legends there was a new role that he started to do when rest were challenging, and he started doing better than ever before. So Elijah, why don't you just start by sharing quickly, what did you learn from reading through your results from taking the talent assessment?
So, I have a lot of experience playing other roles in Champions, and I felt like I was always in the experimental phase. I could never get confident with my ability. I had always felt frustrated in my role, no matter what champion I played. And
the champions were just different roles, right, in the League of Legends?
Correct.
Right, just like companies have different roles within them, right, whether it's a game, life, or work. Go ahead.
But then when I tried support, specifically Yuumi, I was able to find, I can identify with this champion. I found out that I perform much better in this role, and I'm able to increase my NMR, I'm able to improve my rank, and I've done better than ever before just by finding this champion. And it turns out that I've made so many connections with my personality and just me being who I am.
Yes.
So don't go against your nature.
Yes. In fact, when you took your assessment, what was the key word with where your results showed up that matched the League of Legends that was really that aha moment for you?
Let's see. Let me look at my phone. Give me 1 second.
Yeah, it's right there.
It's called Coordinating Supporter.
Yeah, and what's the role in League of Legends?
It's a support.
So what's the big aha moment you really got from this so far? It's only the beginning, I know, for you.
So for me, I feel like the big aha moment was when I was doing good and I felt, that confidence. And it's the first time that I felt confident. I was impacting the game using strategy and being more map aware and, coordinating. I've done a lot better job at, guiding the direction of the game, and just telling everybody what to do. And when they listen, boom, we win.
Yeah. And this is a really fun example, but when we're in a role that we're not made for, we know our natures, and be clear, we can all learn something. But when something's an uphill battle, it's very hard to have that internal confidence. And sometimes also we just don't have that same passion because, right, we have that self-doubt, or it doesn't fit us.
Right.
So it is so awesome to see that you got these distinctions. And I know we're talking about the League of Legends here, but you can imagine how this can apply to any role in life. So continue to be you. Contact us to learn more about these assessments and how you can utilize it in League of Legends at work, but most importantly, so you can have a successful and fulfilling life. Thanks so much. Any final words, Elijah?
Nope. Just have fun.
All right. Rock and roll, everybody.